chat, beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys have having a fabulous week. Today I got these a while ago. So this came from Amazon, and me and Jamie had to buy, I think it was like a DVD series or something. So anyway, we bought something on Amazon, and now Amazon in UK has increased. We don't have Prime or anything like that because we don't really buy a lot of things from Amazon, so it's not worth it. So to get the free delivery, we had to spend, now in UK you have to spend, I think it's like 20, no, it used to be £25, now it's £35. So the DVD came, I think it was the last the Dragon, you know, is the series from the Game of Thrones. So we bought the latest series on DVD, so we watched it on Boxing Day. Boxing Day was the day for me and Jamie. We shut the door, we locked ourselves in, we had a really nice shower and just stay at home all day watching the series and have snacks and etc. So it's our ritual that we do on Boxing Day. So anyway, to cut the story short, to get the £35, I had to put something in the basket. So this set came for something like £4.99, something like that. So to make it work, I said, right, okay, so we need to reach £35. And this was already in my basket. And I spotted it and I left it in my basket. So in these little purchases, I used it for, you know, again, when we have to reach a certain amount if we buy something specific. So finally I got it, and it's been sat at the desk for quite a while now. So I thought we will give this a try today. Now this is very cheap, it's coming from China. Now I'm not expecting miracles. I'm not sure if this is a copy of something else. I apologize if it is, I genuinely don't know. But I was looking for some dies buttons for quite a while, and I came across this. And I don't know, you can probably see on camera. Yeah, so it's got some textures there and there as well. So what I thought we would do today, this is a very quick video review. They're not, I mean, normally, like if I look at this, for example, this is from Stampin' Up. It's very, very old, and Sizzix used to make Stampin' Up dies. I don't know if it still does. So if I compare the weight of this metal, this weighs so much more than these ones. Okay, I appreciate it's bigger, but this feels very, very flimsy. I'm not going to leave any links or anything because I don't do affiliate marketing. So you guys, if you wish to have a little go, have a look on your Amazon or eBay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it through my Big Shot. I'm going to test it on different papers. What I wanted to do as well, I want to try to see if it works on, I got this card for quite a while as well. Because I thought it would be nice to get some buttons with the playing cards. Don't know what you guys think. I definitely think it needs something like, it needs to be placed strategically, because otherwise it might not make sense. So I think it's got to be like placed in a certain way. So I'm gonna have a little play. I might do the, is a king, yeah. Yeah, I might try on some of them as well. I'm gonna try different papers, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so let me show you. That's the dies. Put them in there. Sorry, it might flicker the light on the white background. It always does. So the first lot are the ones I made using the playing cards. Now what I think I'm going to do to show you closely, you just bring it, so I'm going to get rid of them for a minute, and then I bring these close to the camera. I think they're super cute, and I must admit these dies work really, really well. So that's my button with the playing cards. So that's one. Then the second lot is the one with the music sheet notes, you know, the music paper. So again, I'll try to separate them and bring them close to you. Hope it works. I'm sure it will. So that's them. Get rid of that. So that's those. I really like this one here, which is the large one. You know, the small one, you probably lose the detail of it, but the big ones really work. I'm really pleased. And then the last lot, just gonna put them in here for now. The last lot is the ones I have made using the antiquarian sticker book. So what I did, I just flicked through the pages and I found suitable, like I'll use some of these flowers, images. I stick them on just some paper. I had some scraps. Oh, look at this, I forgot this one. Let me just do it here. So yeah, I just stickers, if that's the right way to say, into this scraps of cardstock. Look at them. I'm gonna put them on the white cardstock so you can see. So as you can probably tell, I just put different shapes, different size. You know, this one, it's got some tiles. So I just stick it what I thought it would look cool. So, and that's the lot. So let me just put them in there, and I will separate them. So I was trying to show them close to you. I think this is my favorite because they're just very colorful. And if you do get these dies, you can just make buttons out of everything, really. Again, I tried to pick prints that wouldn't be covered, or actually would they look nicer on there's more shapes as well, because the hearts button, the heart shape button, and the one of the flower, you might lose a lot of details. But yeah, the one with the clock, it's a shame because it's not centered, but I still like it. So that's the last lot. Okay, you could probably see better if I bring them to you this way. The one with the flowers worked really well because it was easy for me to oh, I just noticed this needs to, yeah, I think they're all okay. Yes, I think they all are. Super cute, super cute. Guys, that's it really. I really want to try them on, and I must admit, I am very satisfied with how this performed. And yeah, I will keep them for my ephemera making because they are cute little embellishment to use up, especially when you do, like, if you do like mass making ephemera project, these cute buttons add some little extra detail if you wish. But yeah, no, I'm very pleased, and I do like the one with the card as well. But I do think, as I said, the one with the flowers and the geometric print works better. So I'm just going to put them like that, so hopefully you guys can see them all. Can you see them all? Yes, you can. Right, guys, again, I'm not going to put any links, so if you do want them, just have a look on eBay or Amazon. They just call like buttons dies, simple as. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Big thumbs up if you like this little simple videos. Again, nothing scientific. It just wanted to try hard, you know, to make using those dies. I will see you on the next couple of days for another video, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.